Hello, welcome in maths class. Today's topic is elimination and substitution method to solve pair of linear equations in two variables. For this we have to consider one question. The question is 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Find the cost of one pencil and that of one pen. Let the cost of one pencil equal to rupees x and cost of one pen equal to rupees y. To form the equation, we have to concentrate on the given condition in the problem. That is 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50. So the equation would be 5x plus 7y equal to 50, and the second condition is 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. So the equation would be 7x plus 5y equal to 46. Okay, this is elimination method. For applying elimination, that is we have to eliminate x or we have to eliminate y. For this we have to make coefficient of x equal or coefficient of y equal in both the equations. Here I want to make equal coefficient of x in both the equation. For this I have to multiply equation 1 by 7 and equation 2 by 5. Okay, then we will get 35x plus 49y equal to 350, and second one 35x plus 25y equal to 230. Here the first term of both the equation having positive sign, so we have to subtract second one from first. On subtracting, the first term will be cancelled and the second term will be 24y, and the term after equal sign equal to 120. Okay, 350 minus 230 equal to 120. Then y equal to 120 upon 24 equal to 5. Now we have to put the value of y in equation 1. You can put it in equation 2 also. 5x plus 7y equal to 50, equation 1 is. Now put the value of y. 5x plus 7 into 5 equal to 50, that is 5x equal to 50 minus 35. 5x equal to 15, x equal to 15 by 3, that is 3. So we got the answer. Okay, we consider the same question for substitution method. Substitution, the name is substitution. It means we have to substitute, that is we put the value. We already formed the equations. Okay, here we find out the value of y or value of x from equation 1 and put it in equation 2. Okay, from first equation, if we want to find out the value of y, then it is 7y equal to 50 minus 5x, y equal to 50 minus 5x upon 7. Okay, so now we have to put y equal to 50 minus 5x upon 7 in equation 2. We will get 7x plus 5 into 50 minus 5x upon 7 equal to 46. This is a little complicated looking. We have to solve it such a way that we do no mistake. There is an easy form that we have to multiply the denominator with each term, then it would be easier. Okay, if we multiply 7 with each term, then we will get 49x plus 5 into 50 minus 5x equal to 322. Okay, and if we will solve this, then we will get x equal to 3, right? On putting x equal to 3 in any equation, or particularly in equation 3, we will get the value of y. Here I solve for equation 1. I put it in equation 1 and got y equal to 5. Okay, thank you very much. We got the answer. Okay.